Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable a raw function in navigation options for TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to disable this. So first of all we need to go to settings. Next we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the vision tab, then TalkBack, and here we need to open this cog menu in the top right corner. And then we are looking for customize menus option, and here we have customize TalkBack menu. So now here we are looking for the navigation portion. Here it is. First we need to enable it, of course, and here we have our edit option. So we have a lot of options we can turn on or off. Here we have our rows and columns. We have rows, and here we have columns. We can pretty much pick and choose whatever we want from here. The checked boxes are option on and unchecked are off, of course. Goodbye.